What's going on, guys? Today is Tuesday, I think. Tuesday, February, I don't even know. Working on the 240 a little bit. Got quite a few things done. Didn't really film a lot of it just because I don't have a second set of hands. And it's all boring stuff. So let me turn the camera around and show you guys what I did. So the other day I went ahead and threw in the whole wiring harness back in. Booster, slave, this guy. That's kind of just sitting there. I gotta get some bolts for it. But yeah, anyways, so the harness is pretty much all done, all ran. I didn't go ahead and like tuck anything. I really don't care. This pile right here does kind of look like shit, but you know, maybe down the road I'll clean it up. But to me, it's not really a priority. But right now, what I'm getting ready to do is slap the tranny on the engine because I just took off the manifold and tightened up that coolant fitting, the coolant inlet, because it was loose and it was leaking at the last event pretty bad. So getting ready to do that. I got some grease. I greased up the throwout bearing and the clutch fork. What else did I do? I got to swap out my steering rack bushings right now. I guess I could do that. I got these, if I can find them. Maybe I can't. Anyways, I got solid, oh, here we go. I got some solid GK Techs. Because I got a lot of slop, as you can see. Has it for the S13 and S14. Obviously, I'm only gonna have to use one of these. Comes with some washers and shit, some spacers. I'm guessing these are offset rack or just, you know, like rack spacers, or maybe they're just for the bolts. I don't know. We're gonna find out. But I'm gonna throw this in and probably slap together the tranny and the engine and maybe get ready to throw it back in. I don't know. I guess we're gonna see. I was gonna repaint, like I was saying, I ended up wrapping the brake booster in gold foil instead of painting it, just because I thought it looked kind of cool with the blue. And I don't know, you know, should help with some heat issues, stuff like that. I never really had an issue with my brakes, but I don't know, I just kind of thought that was cool. Put some on the strip tower right there. I plan on doing like the firewall, but it's gonna be covered up anyway, so it's just kind of like a waste. I do have some more left over. I might throw that on something else. I don't know. Right now, like I said, it's not really like a priority, so I'm gonna get these in and mate the tranny and the engine and tape up some more of this stuff so I don't scuff it up, and get ready to drop the bitch in. So my phone died, but I just got the engine in. It was kind of a bitch, but it wasn't too bad overall. Just kind of took my time. Really hope I didn't scuff anything up. I did scuff up the firewall right there, but that's all right. I'm not too worried about it. You know what? I'll put some gold foil tape. It'll look mint. But strip towers are mint. This I didn't really see any paint scraping, but probably gonna be it for tonight. I gotta go pick up a truck. Stay tuned for that. Might be getting a Cummins, but yeah, so this thing's gonna be done sometime this week. Today's Tuesday. I want it done by Thursday by the latest. And yeah, pretty stoked. I think I'm gonna just get the motor mounts situated right now, and then the tranny cross member, and then call it good for now. I'll continue this video with just kind of buttoning everything up and then starting it for the first time. So stay tuned, guys. Hell yeah. So engine's in, tranny mount's good, motor mount's mint. So now basically just gonna start going through the harness and plugging everything in that I need. What else? Yeah, just kind of, you know, plugging everything in that needs to be plugged in. And then, I'm not really too sure what I'm going to do from here. It's a lot of work, but I do want to get this thing going for Thursday. So we'll see.